What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine and spirits videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of arguably the most famous of all cognac brands. Of course, cognacs are a type of brandy made in a specific area of France around the town of Cognac in southwest France. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this brand? You have to know that the founder of Hennessy was of Irish origin. He was an Irish officer based in the town of Cognac. Therefore, the pronunciation is from Irish or English sounding pronunciation, Hennessy. Hennessy, there is no trick from French here because this is an Irish name, Hennessy. If you want to learn more about how Hennessy is made, here is a distillery tour where I visited the distillery and explained all the different phases of elaboration of the cognac. And here is a video where I taste and review with the Hennessy Cognac Expert all of the different types of cognacs that Hennessy make. I'll let you watch those videos if you feel like it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine and spirits. Au revoir.